they would be selling, settling this, that paying $8,000 to settle the offsetting of the contract. That's it. So it depends on their relationship whether they would wait until September 10, because whatsoever is the rate at 10 September, they will be following forward rate. So they can offset this contract on 10th of March, or they can wait and settle this contract on 10th of September. The more chances are that if they have a good relationship, understanding one, they would be settling it on 10th of March, right? Because whatsoever on 10th of September, they would be buying and to the same party and selling to the same party on the specified contract rate, buying at 0.7, selling at 0.66. So whether you pay now, whether you pay at 10th of September, 8,000 will be your loss. You have to settle down, right? If you have the money, you can pay right now, or you can pay it until September 10th. Everybody understand this offsetting situations? Haley?
Yes.
Min, Not, Ping Ping, Jella, Crystal, Marilyn, Kathleen?
Yeah. Yes.
Good. Let's move forward. Now, how forward contracts are used in non-deliverable forward contracts? So NDF, or non-deliverable forward contracts, they can be used for emerging market currencies where no currency delivery take place at settlement. Instead, one party makes to the other party the settlement payment. That's it. So we have examples here. So Jackson Incorporation, and MNC is in Wyoming, and determines as of April 1st that it would be needing 100 million Chilean pesos to purchase supplies on July 1st. Right? On July 1st, it means they would be paying Chilean pesos. So it can negotiate an NDF, non-deliverable contract. And which kind of contract? Forward contract, because no future is going to be available here because this is emerging market currencies. Okay, so it can be negotiated as NDF with a local bank as follows. Specifically, the NDF will contain the following information, because you need to pay in Chilean pound, Chilean pesos. So you would be buying 100 million Chilean pesos. So you enter into a contract to buy Chilean pesos. So contract will be called buy forward contract, specifically buy NDF, right? Settlement date is the date at which you need to settle. Settlement date is July 1st. Reference index is 100 million. Okay guys, apologies. My internet just tripped. Let's continue from here. So settlement date is July 1st. Reference index is 100 million Chilean pesos, right? So Chilean pesos closing exchange rate quoted by Chilean central bank in 90 days. Here we go. How we are going to use that contract here. Assume that the Chilean peso is currently valued at $0.002 per Chilean peso. So the dollar amount needed of the position is $200,000. So 0.0020 multiplied by 100 million. Answer would be 200,000. Now what happened at the settlement date? If at the time of the settlement date, if the peso value increases to 0.0023, 0.0023, the value of the position of the NDF will be 230,000. How you can get it? 0.0023 multiplied by 100 million. So what is your position here? To buy Chilean peso at 0.22, right? At 0.002. So since the value of the Jackson's NDF position is 30,000 higher than when the agreement was created, Jackson will receive the payment of 30,000. The settlement, the difference is that's it. Right? So rather you transfer to her, or you purchase or you buy from him at 0.0020 and then sell it into the market for 0.0023 and receiving the $30,000 profit. It's better you just traded the net value, that's it. Net increase or decrease, that's it. So net increase or decrease is 30,000. 0.0003 is the increase in value. You need to buy. So what is your position? Buy low, sell high, right? So your position to buy NDF value is 0.0020, this forward rate. In the market rate is 0.0023. So your profit would be 0.0003 on per Chilean peso on 100 million, 30,000. So Jackson will receive the payment of 30,000 from the bank. So recall that Jackson needs 100 million pesos to buy imports, right? Since the peso's spot rate rose from April 1st to July 1st, Jackson will need to pay 30,000 more for the imports. They calculated the rate was 200,000. Now they need 230,000. So from Jackson pockets, $2,000 will be as used as a cash outflow. The remainder 30,000 will be he received from the bank 30,000 and added to his pocket of 200,000, and then will go to the market on the open market and purchase 100 million Chilean pesos. That's it. So what is the beauty of NDF? And the beauty of NDF is that the reference amount is not transferred. So bank is not responsible to make this 100 million pesos available. They just see the position in the market. Okay, in Nasdaq the value would be like, okay, in foreign exchange value will be like this. So we will be trading like this, but we will not give you the 100 million pesos. The reference amount is going to be traded. So it's your responsibility. Go ahead and arrange the 100 million. If you know that you can arrange the 100 million pesos from in the open market, so the balance amount you will be receiving from third party. What if this transaction is reversed? You have a loss of 30,000. So 30,000 you will be paying to the bank. If position is opposite here, this let me just clear this mess. What if the position is reversed? So you enter into a contract for example, here 0.0023, and here at the time of settlement, the value would be 0.0020. It means value decrease, right? So if you buy from open market, value would be 0.0020. But since you enter into a forward contract, you have to buy from the seller at 0.0023. So it means you are having a loss. So loss, you would be paying to the bank this 30,000. When you pay to the bank for 30,000, you would be having $170,000, right? And you convert it. So it means from your own pocket, no, sorry, that would be 230,000, and here would be sorry, at this time. If you convert, that would be to 30,000. If you convert here, it would be 200,000. 200,000, right? So 30,000 loss is there. So from your own pocket, 230,000 will be as a cash outflow. 30,000 will be gone to the bank. 200,000 will be gone to the open market to buy 100 million pesos. So whatever is your position, your cash flow would be exactly the same, right, at the start. But if you have a profit, that would be added because cost is higher now. And if you have a loss, that would be taken out from your budgeted plan or something. But the cash outlay at the start would be the same. Let me just clear this mess here. So in this case, NDF also hedge the exchange rate risk. So in no case in this situation, your cash outflow is above 200,000 from your own pocket. 30,000 is contributed by bank, right? So you basically by entering into this contract, you save your 30,000 payments because 30,000 payment is now paid by bank. So if you understand, I'm going to be setting up breakout room. Please answer this question. And this is a group activity. Okay. So who is host right now? Min, please make me host. Min, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I
Please,
think I'm not the host.
because I just lost the connection, so it automatically made you host.
I think I'm not the host because
You are the host. It shows.
Really?
Yeah.
How can I?
Just click on settings and then the break. Okay, let me set up the breakout room. So I'm making 3 breakout rooms. There we go. Please take a picture and accept that and show your calculations, okay? Show your calculations. So those who are watching the video, I'm going to be pausing video here and we will be talking the answer after the breakout room activity. Okay, welcome back after the breakout room activity. So we were doing this example. So let's do that together. So Graylon Incorporation based in Washington exports products to German firm and will receive. So the best way to solve these kind of questions is highlight whether the firm is receiving or paying. So it will give you, the idea, okay, what will be the exchange rate risk when you receive the money, what is your biggest, threat or biggest risk, it's like that. So you will be, getting extra information and speedy information as well. So we'll receive the payment 200,000 euro in 3 months. So on June 1st, the spot rate of the euro was 1.12. The 3-month forward rate was 1.1. On June 1st, the Graylon negotiated a forward contract to sell 200,000 forward in 3 months, right? So they enter into a contract. Let's make a contract timeline. 30 days. This is 0 days and this is 30 days. So they enter into a contract. Contract forward date is 1.10. That is dollar over euro.